Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 403 on your Windows computer, then please try the following solutions. Now the first solution is to refresh the page, and I'll show you how to do that. Simply, let's say this is the page. Simply click on the URL and hit enter. Or you can also right click here and select refresh. And the second solution is to recheck the URL and remove the / Shomit, or just check the URL that it should be correct. Okay, I'll show you one thing. Ideally, if anything has / added to it in a URL, upon clicking it, it removes the URL. But if you have any problems, then you can remove the / before anything else. The next solution is to clear the browser cache and cookies. So it's the same in Chromium browsers, be it Microsoft Edge or Chrome or anything. But I'll show you for Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots here and then select history. Click on these three dots here and then select click on this bin like symbol and then select all time. Make sure that cache and cookies are checked and then click on clear now. The last solution is to check if you have permission to access URL. Now how do you do that? So a lot of URLs like facebook.com or instagram.com or any other social media website, or for that matter a lot of websites have a login system. You have to be logged in to access a certain URL, but not all the time, even for Reddit. So you may be able to access the URL twice or thrice, but beyond that it will ask you to log in, and if it doesn't ask you to log in, you may encounter the said 403 error. So if you are required to log in, here's what I would do. Go to the base URL, the .com URL, and delete anything beyond that URL, and then try to log in if you find a login page for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.